We're hungry! We are back! Hi guys, you're watching Just Wish and this is a tribute to Rocky and Mayur. So with my best bud Pankaj along, I thought it would be a great idea to visit the silver city of Cuttack and showcase Odisha's soul food, the legendary Aludam Dahi Vada. So we are here at the legend Raghu. He's been here for over 5 decades. He's an absolute celebrity in this region. So we are here to savor his Aludam Dahi Vada. He has a different style of doing it. We want to show you what it actually is. This guy is such a celebrity that his customers come first and then he arrives.
Oh my god, this is something very new. He's nowhere in the sight. People are already gathering up and the queue is on the table in form of dabbas.
If you're late by 30 minutes, you will miss this guy. Okay, I was expecting a king in a chariot kind of situation, but that's certainly not the case here. Meet Raghu. This fragile grandpa rides his trolley this very same way every day. As his men unloaded these massive containers of goodness, the crowd started to bustle around his stall in anticipation. So we are in line. This is it. Delicately soaked vadas in a thin consistency of curd is first laid on the leaf plate. The divine gravy of slow-cooked potatoes are then smothered on it. Finally, a sprinkle of secret chili masala as garnishing. This is the exquisite Dahi Vada Aludam that we are after, and we've come this far. Let's see how it tastes.
Speechless.
So gravy is spicy, right? The aludam is spicy.
And the boras are soft, the softest you'll ever have.
Yeah, so what they say is this vada does not break. The vada doesn't break. It's supposed to be very good quality. And this is the most eco way of eating it. You save the environment, no plastics. It does not give pyaj, no onion.
No gugni.
No gugni either.
It's just the dahi vada, aludam and lot of chilies, red chilies.
Exquisite. Well, if you thought that eating out of our hands was plain gross, let me tell you that's Raghu's USP. He does not give a spoon. And hell yeah, we love it this way. Moving on to the customary slurping of the curd.
Taste hotel jeste dawalam or taste something different. खाली बड़ा लागू जी hygienic अच्छी, neat and clean. अच्छे देसी खाद्य मान पत्थर प्लेट में धुआ दी, मतलब मान hygienic धुआ दी करना ठीक से. पत्थर best एकदम. सही जिनिस.
We didn't realize, but we just devoured 2 plates of Aludam Dahi Vada. Incredibly spicy, and he has just the remedy for it. So while we were relishing this pedha, this gentleman told us about his Aludam Dahi Vada story.
मैं रघु का दही वड़ा आलूदम 1968 से खा रहा हूँ, जब वो किला मैदान में बैठते थे. बाद में वो यहाँ पे आए, तो तभी से मेरे को कटक में यदि खाना है तो इनका ही खाना. इनका खासियत, इनका क्वालिटी में कभी कोई चेंज नहीं है. और मेरे यहाँ जितने भी रिलेटिव आते हैं, गुजरात से, बॉम्बे से, कलकत्ता से, सब इसके दीवाने हैं.
We were hardly there for 20 minutes and these guys were already scratching bottoms. राघव सर कौन कहले? राघव कौन कहले?
राघव टा जे पेडाटा बिक्री करावा से तो बंचिबो ना. नेचुरली सपोर्टिंग दरकार बड ना. के तो काबे बंची जो से बड़ କଥା.
Thank you, sir. We are sweating bullets.
We ate a lot. The peda isn't working.
So apparently people told us that this guy sells, makes it a little spicy, which is a good thing, because then he can sell these lovely pedas and divide. So now off to the next point. More aloo dum. 2 plates down. You never know how many more. With an idyllic setting, Cuttack sits on the banks of the river Mahanadi and is the former capital of the state. The evidences of its colonial past are not too difficult to spot, and with a glorious maritime history, the people of the city are closely knit with a strong sense of brotherhood. I'd like to call it the Susseguard of the East.
So guys, we are here at a second stop, and this is Ishwar Aludam at where is it? What is this place called? Tulsipur.
Tulsipur Cuttack.
So we just gonna go and have it.
Hello Ishwar uncle.
This guy has bora, mitha bora, aludam, gugni, mitha dahi, and another dish here. And sev, and pyaja, and chutney, and dhania.
The list goes on. So it's a eclectic mix of herbs here that sink our teeth. If the Mark Wiens guy was here, no, he would have done. This is very different. Raghu is like bare bone basic. It's like a motorcycle, you know, like a bullet motorcycle, bare bone basics. This one's more like a sports bike. It's got fairing, covering, and a lot of accessories going around. So you have the main ingredients intact, but
Too many good add-ons.
yeah, the add-ons are amazing.
Okay.
Meet Ishwar. There is a reason why I called him uncle. Because when I was a little boy, we used to live here. And he was my McDonald's. Trust me, even to this day, his taste hasn't changed. And it evokes fond childhood nostalgia. So we have our friend Rohit with us now, who's going to take us to spot number 3. So Ishwar, quick feedback. How was Ishwar?
See, Ishwar is what I said before, is the second school of thought. It is with the mitha bora, mitha dahi, and the gugni and the pyaja. And Raghu on the other hand was classical. So two different school of thought, two very good Aludam Devaras.
What's your view?
का जो आलूदम देवरा का टेस्ट है इट्स टू गुड.
Your personal favorite?
माय पर्सनल फेवरेट इज महादेव.
Mahadev. Okay. I'm not sure if we can make through to Mahadev, but where are we going now?
We are going to Trinath.
We're going to Trinath. Winding our way through the narrow lanes, we landed at Trinath. We came here because people told us that his aludam was as good as mutton kasa. And it sure was, while still being a vegetarian delicacy. In fact, things were a lot thicker here and the portions were larger.
This is around like 400 to 500 grams.
So this guy has a shop where people can chill and he sells it all there. So the aludam is definitely different here. It's a little more thicker. I personally would, it's not my favorite, but it's still good. So here what is unique is the aludam here tastes like mutton curry. You should try it.
This completes our expedition of Aludam Devara of Cuttack, and now the next stop is Bhubaneswar.
See you in Bhubaneswar. So this was our first gastronomical adventure, and if you found it relatable, do hit the subscribe button and share this video. If you want us to try any other delicacy, then comment below. I will see you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to live life with a dash of adventure. He had bucket full of
at lunch.
Coming in next video. Pokhara coming next video. He had bucket full and then he had 4 plate aludam there. Imagine.
Adi, the Pokhara.